But you have a house in Bacong?
Yeah.
Who is living there now?
My eldest daughter and my second daughter.
Oh, okay, so you have somewhere to live when you go there. That'd be nice. Live with your daughters. They're not married?
No, they are all working. My eldest daughter is a nurse and my second daughter is a doctor.
And your son is a dentist. Your son is a dentist.
No, daughter.
What does the son do?
In
What does he do?
working.
No, what?
Working in the office.
Oh, okay. It's not. I thought one of them was. Your husband was dentist, eh?
No, my second daughter.
Oh, okay. Oh, look, a new dog.
That's not my dog.
He wants to stay with you.
No, I don't like.
No. Okay. See you again. So that's Patricia's coffee shop. Been friends with her for 2 years. Nice lady. See all these stalls here to give you an idea how busy it gets in the evenings and weekends. People come down here to get the fresh air and eat and drink. In the evenings they put out tables and chairs and everything. People eat beside the ocean. Everybody's growing all the time. I'm not a lover of cities. And they're gentrifying this city. So, people who've got that place is actually just noticed some sort of resort. The people who, local people who had even a modest house here, it's near the sea, or up in the mountains, it's worth a lot of money. But the shame is, most of the people buying are foreigners. Some rich Filipinos, but mainly foreigners, and so young Filipino couples have got no chance of getting on the housing ladder. Just priced out of it. Shame. Yeah, you've got a horn, isn't it? Just fuck off with horns. Bloody annoys me. They might be stupid and not look where they're going down. Obviously, like anti-collision lights. Morning. All they need to do is get out of my way. not beat me. What am I supposed to do? Leave the road? Of course, that's very, very important with your car. Now, should I go now more now? I'd like to go to my favourite eatery, but they don't make lumpia. Or if they do, it's much, much later. They make nice vegetable lumpia, but not early morning. But I made, yesterday I made tortillas, which is the same principle, except the wrap is much tastier with corn and a bit more expensive, but actually worth the extra expense. Yes, you will have a horn. Sort of being careful and avoiding horn you. These are taken up with call centres. They're sort of taking over from India with call centres. Don't know why. I don't know the reasons, but they are. Jay, my friend, he doesn't work for, well, he works for sort of, not a call center, well, you could contact him, he works for a real estate company, American real estate company. But people could send queries to his number, which is probably Texan number or something, and he will answer their queries. So he's a real estate dealer, so he says. But he doesn't commission, he earns a flat rate. But it's at night, you know. So he's there, he's often in his in the air-conditioned cubicle. He's got it at his bike place. He's there, sort of falls asleep online with the notification beeps to tell him someone's contacted him, but it's hello. Rescue way to Dublin. So I made a few bob selling them to the government.